Hi guys, if YouTube app is getting stuck or not working properly on your Samsung Galaxy M35 smartphone, then let's see how to fix it. So for that, first of all go to settings and then scroll down and here tap on apps. Now here scroll down and find the YouTube app, or you can simply search it from here. Here it is, simply tap on it. Now here scroll down and tap on storage. There are two options at the bottom, clear cache and clear data. So simply tap on clear cache and the cache will be cleared. Again tap on clear data. Now it will ask you to confirm. Simply tap on delete and the data will be cleared as well. Once you clear the cache and data of your YouTube application, simply go back. Now simply long press the power button and then tap on restart to restart your smartphone. Once you restart your smartphone, YouTube app will start working properly without getting stuck. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily fix YouTube app not working on Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.